Hey, what's up guys? Houston here, and today I'm going to show you how to get personal loans without a credit check. That's right, it is possible for you to get personal loans without a credit check. Most of these lenders, they want you to have an active bank account and they want you to have some type of income. So you may even be on fixed income like disability, social security or something like that. But at the same time, this company here is called Possible Finance. Now, Possible Finance, they loan up to $500, but you don't pay that $500 all back at once. They loan it to you and you pay it back in increments, right? So, which is very good because for people that's on a fixed income, they can't pay that $500 back right away, but they maybe can make small small increment payments. All right. So the company is called Possible Finance, possiblefinance.com. And if you download their app, when you download their app and everything, you put in your personal information, your bank account information. They look at the transactions in your bank account and everything, and then that's how they approve you. So they don't look at your credit. So your credit has nothing to do with it. So if you in need of an emergency personal loan and you don't want them looking at your personal credit, then you may want to check out Possible Finance. Also understanding that a lot of these companies out here, we know that they charge a lot of interest. However, these companies, they charge less interest than a payday loan. So the thing about it is they leverage more, they offer you more money, and they still report to your credit. So if you're still trying to build up your credit, these are the type of loans that will help you build up your credit because they report to the 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So you're getting leverage there, but at the same time, they're helping you borrow money with a low credit score. So the next one I want to talk about is One Main Financial. Now, One Main Financial, they've been around a long time, and so they work with credit scores of starting at 580, and so their loan amounts is from $1,500 to $10,000. So again, now you still have this very good situation going on where you may only have a 580 credit score or a little higher than that, and One Main Financial may be that place that you can go. And most of these bad personal loan companies, they actually will fund you either the same day or one day later, right? So you're not waiting around to see if you're going to get approved. It's either the same day or the next day. So that's where you have your leverage at, especially when you have bad credit, okay? And the main thing for a lot of these, if you have showing the proof of you have income and you have a bank account, those are the main criteria for these here loans. Now you have this one company called Avant. Avant, they start with a 600 credit score, but of course they give you more money. They start at $2,000 up to $35,000. But hey, if you have just a 600 credit score and you just need a couple $1,000s to pay down some other credit cards so that your debt to income ratio goes back up so you can get qualified for better interest rates on credit cards and stuff like that, then Avant may be your best bet, all right, because they work with a 600 credit score. Another company I want to talk about, a lot of you all have heard of, Cash USA. Actually, when you go to badcreditloans.com, and they work with a 580 credit score as well. And so they look at different lenders. They shop you around the different lenders. The thing about it, you have to be careful because if they're going to be shopping you around the different lenders, you have to make sure they're doing a soft pull instead of a hard pull on your credit. So if they're doing a soft pull on your credit, you're fine. But just making sure that they're just doing a soft pull and not a hard pull, because when they do the hard pull, now your credit score goes down even further. So with an inquiry, you can be losing anywhere from 2 points to 12 points. So you have a wide range depending on the lender. But at the same time, most of these companies, they do soft pulls on your credit, so you get a pre-approval before you actually apply for the credit. And again, like I said, with personal finance, they don't even do a credit pull at all. They just want you to have a business bank account, and they want you to have income to show that you're able to pay the loan back, okay? So again, with badcreditloans.com, they're working with a 580. Sometimes they go lower than that, but your income, the amount of money they lend to you is from $500 up to $5,000. Now here's another one called Net Credit. Now, NetCredit is again one of those platforms where they shop your credit around to get you the best loan. However, they do work with credit scores less than a 550. So if you have less than a 550 credit score, they still possibly can get you a loan from $1,000 up to $10,000. Now, you may have to look out for what type of fees they're charging on the back end. So that way, if you're getting $1,000, well, how much of that $1,000 they're going to get? That you would have to watch out for. But for most of these, it's when you really have bad credit or challenging credit, but you need an emergency loan because, again, you may need to pay off a credit card so you can boost up your credit score so you can get better interest rate on the credit card. Or you may be upside down on a car and you're trying to get out of your car loan or whatever, but you're upside down on it. Looking at these type of credit lenders where they look at your bad credit and they're willing to loan you the money, a personal loan, so that you can pay down on the car so you can trade the car in so you can get out of that high interest rate. So these are the best loans that are out there in the market to actually help you get out of that bad loan that you may be in, or you just need a personal loan for an emergency. Your car probably break down, you may have a light bill, a gas bill, something that's due, and you need some money right away. So Possible Finance, you have One Main Credit, you have Avant, Cash USA, better yet, badcreditloans.com, as well as NetCredit. And like I said, most of these, they go from no credit check up to 720 credit score. But as long as you have, when you have a 680 credit score, you really don't need these type of loans. But if you're below a 680 credit score, these are the best loans to go after. So I hope that this helps you, and I hope that it encourages you to get out there. Don't feel that you're just locked in and you can't do anything. Your hands are just tied. These companies will actually loan you money. So I hope that this helps you. If you want to learn more about how to restore your personal credit, click the link below. The three-way funding, we actually give you a credit repair program so that you can help restore your credit. So if you have any other questions, again, click the link below, the three-way funding, and send us an email. Let's set up a consultation. Thank you.